Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says if A equals to this matrix, great, then for all values of theta belongs to 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, determinant of A lies in the interval. Okay, so we have to find out the determinant in this room. Let's try to find it out. So first we will calculate the determinant. If you'll observe, this is minus sine theta, this is sine theta, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. So I will add. So column 1 will be transformed as column 1 plus column 3. Okay. And A will look like 2, 0, 0. Then sine 1 minus sine 1 sine 1. Okay. Now we can open this determinant along column 1 because it is already simplified. So it is 2 times 1 plus sine square. Correct? So it is 2 plus 2 sine square theta. Now it is 3 pi by 4. So what I will do, I will draw graph of sine square theta. Okay. So sine square theta will, the graph of sine square theta will go this way. Correct? This is your pi. And this 3 pi by 4 is what? Here it is pi by 2. Here it is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. And here it is pi by 2. So it is pi plus pi by 2. And this is pi plus pi by 4. So here. Correct? 5 pi by 4. So we are interested in finding the value of this, and we have to focus on this block only. Correct? I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this. So I can say that the determinant of a minimum value, okay, so minimum value will be this. At pi sine will produce 0. Okay, so in that case it will become 2. Correct? And it's an like 3 pi by 2 is 3 pi by 4 is not included. Okay, so you have to not include that part. Sorry, include that part because it is not here, it is in between them. Okay, now determinant of a max will be over here only. Correct? So it is at 3 pi by 4, it is minus of 1 by root 2. So minus of 1 by root 2 square will become 1 by 2, and 2 times 1 by 2 will become 1. So 2 plus 1 will become 3. But look at this, this is extreme. At extreme you got the value, and which is not included, so you are not supposed to like include the max. So can I say that determinant of a ranges from 2 to 3, where 2 is yes and 3 is no. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.